In this video, I am going to show you how you can run any open source LLM on your computer locally even when you are offline. LLMs are complex AI systems that can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way just like ChatGPT does. For this, we will be using a tool called Ollama, which lets you run large language models or LLMs on your computer. So first, you need to download Ollama for your computer's operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. Installation is pretty straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Once Ollama is installed, open your terminal or command prompt. This is where we will interact with Ollama using text commands. Now it's time to pick up your LLM. Head back to Ollama website and browse the models section. There are different models available, each with its strengths. Some are better for creative writing, while others excel at answering questions. Just select one and you will get the information regarding it, such as its parameters, its total size, its memory requirements, and much more. I am going to use Llama 2, which is a pretty popular LLM and was created by Meta. You need to copy this command and run it here. The first time it will download the LLM model. Now every time you reopen the command prompt or terminal, run this command and ask it anything. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing for more videos like this.